This is a tire from my lawnmower. I ran it flat and didn't realize it, so I kind of messed up the tire. I'm gonna have to replace that at some point, but I couldn't really find the proper size rim with tire on it. So I've got this inner tube I'm gonna put inside of it, and I'm just gonna run this piece of crap for a little while longer until I can find a proper tire on a rim, or just a tire to put on this rim. So I'm going to use this tool to pry the tire away from the rim and get it out of there, so I can put the inner tube in it and see what the hell I'm doing. So between the two of these tools, I'm managing to get the tire off, at least halfway off anyway. Probably a better way to do this, but I'm not an expert. And so yeah, I found out why it wasn't holding air. I guess it's not around the valve like I thought. It's a nice big tear in it. So yeah, I guess it's a goner. I don't even think I could repair that. So now I'm just gonna put this on carefully. I managed to, without too much trickery, to get the inner tube in and stretch the tire. I get the inner tube in, a little tricky. Be really careful around the valve because I don't want to mess that up. So now I'm just going to bend this back around the rim, and we should be good to go to pump it up with some air. Now that, for better or for worse, is how I put a new inner tube in a tire. And I said no more than 30 psi, so let's try again. This is 15, so I'll have to put more in it. Maybe up to 25 or something. Well, it does feel pretty good. Pretty solid.
And there she blows.
Just based on how much pressure is on that compared to my other lawnmower tires, I'm going to have to pump them all up.
I put on my lawnmower, but it's a little dark outside, getting dark. I could do it, but might as well save it for a nice day.
Touched it.
Well, reduce, reuse, recycle. Why not?
This is a work of fiction. Names, characters, places and incidents either are products of the author's imagination or are used fictitiously. Any resemblance to actual events or locales or persons, living or dead, is entirely coincidental.